As more people turn to cycling for fitness, commuting, and weekend adventures, the demand for reliable bike racks has surged. Typists, gamers, and remote workers who cycle in their downtime also want easy bike storage solutions that save space and simplify organization. In this guide,
List number 1. Montec Swivel Bike Wall Mount. The Montec Swivel Bike Wall Mount is a smart solution for anyone wanting to save maximum floor space without compromising bike security. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, the mount supports most bike types, including mountain bikes, road bikes, and commuter cycles up to a strong weight capacity. The standout feature is its 180-degree swivel arm, which allows users to fold the bike flat against the wall. This is especially helpful in tight hallways, garages, or apartment storage rooms. Installation is simple. The mount includes pre-drilled holes, screws, and wall anchors designed for studded or concrete walls. The rubber-coated hook protects your bike's rim from scratches, while the anti-slip design ensures no accidental drops. Many users appreciate its ergonomic angle and effortless lifting motion, making it comfortable for daily use even with heavier bikes.
Number 2. Vertical Bike Stand. The vertical bike stand is perfect for cyclists who need a freestanding solution without drilling or wall installation. This rack supports bikes in an upright position by securing the front wheel, making it ideal for renters or users who frequently rearrange their storage space. The heavy-duty steel base provides excellent stability, keeping the bike firmly positioned even when placed on smooth floors. One major advantage is the stand's adjustable height and wheel cradle, which accommodates various bike sizes, from kids' bikes to full-size mountain and road bikes. Rubberized contact points protect your frame and tires, preventing scuffs or pressure damage. The stand's open frame layout also keeps the drivetrain unobstructed, making it a convenient choice for quick maintenance or cleaning sessions. Unlike wall mounts, the vertical bike stand can be placed anywhere: bedrooms, living rooms, garages, or patios. It's especially useful for multi-bike households where flexibility is crucial. The minimalistic, modern design blends easily with home decor without looking intrusive.
List number 3. Bike Rack Dual Bicycle Stand for Mountain Bikes. This dual bicycle stand is a fantastic solution for households or garages that need to store two bikes neatly in one place. Designed for mountain bikes, hybrid bikes, and commuter models, it uses a solid powder-coated steel frame that resists rust and supports substantial weight without wobbling. Each bike slots into an independent wheel cradle, ensuring bikes do not touch or scratch one another. Assembly is straightforward. No drilling, no wall mounting, and minimal tools required. The wide base keeps the rack firmly planted, and the anti-scratch rubber feet protect indoor floors. Its open design gives you quick grab-and-go access, which is ideal for busy riders who frequently head out for commuting or weekend rides. One notable advantage is its compatibility. From thick-tire mountain bikes to narrow road wheels, the stand holds them securely. The dual stand system is also great for couples, siblings, or anyone who owns more than one bike. Plus, it can be used indoors or outdoors depending on your space. If your primary goal is to organize multiple bikes without drilling holes or hanging anything, this dual bike stand offers excellent durability, functionality, and value.
List number 4. Aliexpress Deluxe 2-Bike Trunk Mount Rack. The Aliexpress Deluxe 2-Bike Trunk Mount Rack is one of the most trusted and popular travel-ready bike racks on the market. Meant for mounting on cars, SUVs, vans, or hatchbacks, it allows cyclists to transport two bikes securely without needing a hitch receiver. Aliexpress is known for its patented tie-down system, and this model features individual adjustable straps that keep each bike stable and protected during travel. Setup is quick, usually under 5 minutes, with fully pre-assembled components and a simple strap system. The padded lower frame keeps your bicycles elevated, preventing them from touching the vehicle's paint. Meanwhile, the rugged steel construction provides durability, even for long road trips or rough highways.
List number 5. Rear Bike Rack.
A rear bike rack is an essential accessory for commuters, touring bikers, and long-distance riders who need to carry gear efficiently. This type of rack mounts directly onto the back of the bicycle frame, typically above the rear wheel, providing a sturdy platform for panniers, bags, baskets, or cargo. Most rear racks, including this model, feature lightweight aluminum construction, offering both strength and rust resistance. Installation is straightforward and highly adaptable, with adjustable mounting arms that fit a wide variety of frame geometries. The rack supports generous weight limits, often 40 to 55 pounds, making it suitable for groceries, commuting gear, or even small travel loads. Many riders appreciate the integrated top rails and side guards, which prevent pannier bags from rubbing against the wheel spokes. On the road, the rack provides exceptional stability, and the centered weight distribution helps maintain smooth handling. Whether you're outfitting a commuter bike or preparing for touring, it adds enormous practicality at a very affordable price.